Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Champorado with Tuyo, a sweet and savory Filipino breakfast favorite. Few food pairings surprise the senses quite like Champorado and Tuyo. This classic Filipino breakfast mixes rich chocolate rice porridge with crispy salted fish, creating a bold sweet and salty contrast. Beyond the flavors, it's a dish tied to nostalgia, often reminding Filipinos of home, family, and hearty morning meals. Loved for its comfort and simplicity, Champorado with Tuyo is more than just food, it's a cultural staple. Whether enjoyed during rainy days or lazy weekends, this combo proves Filipino cuisine thrives on unexpected harmony. Let's look at why it works so well. The origins of Champorado and Tuyo. Champorado and Tuyo might seem like an odd pairing at first, but their history tells a different story. Both have deep roots in Filipino culture, shaped by local traditions and outside influences. Understanding where they came from helps explain why they work so well together. Historical roots of Champorado. Champorado traces its origins to pre-colonial Philippines, where rice porridge was already a common dish. Early versions used native ingredients like kakaangata, coconut milk and roasted glutinous rice. Everything changed when Spanish colonizers introduced cocoa in the 17th century. Locals adapted by mixing chocolate with rice, turning it into the creamy, sweet porridge we know today. Over time, Champorado became a breakfast staple, especially during rainy seasons. Families often made it using tabli, blocks of pure cocoa for a bolder flavor. The dish also took on a comforting role, evoking memories of mornings at home and simple, filling meals. Tuyo, a Filipino staple. Tuyo, or salted dried fish, has been a practical and flavorful protein source for centuries. The preservation method dates back to when refrigeration wasn't an option. Salting and drying fish ensured it lasted longer in tropical heat. Making Tuyo is straightforward but time-tested. Fresh fish, usually herring or anchovies, are cleaned and split open. They're soaked in salt water or heavily salted, then sun-dried for days. The result is intensely savory, slightly chewy, and packed with umami. Tuyo's robust saltiness balances the sweetness of Champorado perfectly. The contrast isn't just tasty, it's a reflection of Filipino culinary creativity. While other cultures might shy away from mixing sweet and salty, Filipino cuisine embraces it with confidence. The perfect pairing, why Champorado and Tuyo work. At first glance, Champorado and Tuyo might seem like an unusual match. But take one bite, and it's clear, this pairing isn't just good, it's meant to be. The rich sweetness of chocolate porridge and the punchy saltiness of dried fish create a harmony that's unforgettable. Here's why this duo stands the test of time. Flavor contrast and balance. Champorado and Tuyo play off each other like old friends. The Champorado brings deep, creamy sweetness, thanks to its cocoa and sticky rice base. It's comforting, a bit indulgent and slightly earthy. On the other hand, Tuyo's all bold saltiness with a satisfying crunch. Its intense umami cuts through the sweetness, keeping each bite interesting. Think of it like salty caramel, but better. The contrast isn't just tasty, it's smart. The salt enhances the chocolate's flavor, while the sweetness tames the fish's intensity. Together, they hit every note on your taste buds. Cultural and practical reasons. This pairing didn't just happen by accident. Filipinos have been eating Champorado with Tuyo for generations, and there are solid reasons why it stuck around. First, it's affordable. Rice, cocoa, and dried fish have always been accessible, even for tight budgets. Families could whip up a filling, flavorful meal without breaking the bank. Second, it's practical. Tuyo doesn't spoil easily, making it a reliable pantry staple. Champorado cooks quickly, especially with leftover rice. On busy mornings, or lazy ones, this combo saves time without sacrificing flavor. Finally, it's versatile. Need a quick breakfast? Champorado and Tuyo. Want a comfort meal on a rainy day? Same answer. The dish adapts to moods and moments, proving that the best food doesn't need to be complicated, just delicious. How to make traditional champorado. Champorado is easy to make, but the best versions balance sweetness and creaminess just right. Whether you use traditional tabli or cocoa powder, the key is patience, letting the rice absorb the chocolate slowly for maximum flavor. Here's how to get it right. Ingredients you'll need. For a basic champorado, gather these ingredients. Glutinous rice, malakit. The sticky texture is essential for that thick, porridge-like consistency. Water. Adjust for thicker or thinner champorado. Tabli, or cocoa powder plus sugar. Tabli gives a deeper chocolate flavor, but cocoa powder works in a pinch. Evaporated milk or coconut milk adds creaminess. Coconut milk enhances richness. Pinch of salt balances the sweetness. Sugar to taste. Adjust based on your preference. Some like it barely sweet, others prefer it dessert level. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish off this tasty combo and take it to the next level. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.